mark the foundation day of the Election Commission of India. National Voters Day History. 25th January is the foundation day of the Election Commission of India, which came into existence in 1950. This day was first celebrated in 2011 to encourage young voters to take part in the electoral process. The Election Commission's main objective is to increase the enrollment of voters, especially the eligible ones. Let us tell you that earlier the eligibility age of the 1988, it was lowered at 18 years. The 61st Amendment Bill of 1980 in India. National Voters Day significance. India is a democratic country. Every citizen has the basic right to vote. He or she has the right to select his leader to whomever they think is capable of leading the nation. About the change at extra. National Voters Day is a significant root of India is the future of the country lies in the leader that we choose. National Voters Day theme. The theme for this year 2025, like voting, I vote for sure, is dedicated to voters and conveys individuals' feeling and aspiration towards participation in the electoral process through the power of the vote. Why we celebrated National Voters Day? This year, Honorable President of India, Draupadi Murmu, will present the National Awards for the year 2022. National Awards for the Best Electoral Practices for the year 2023-24 will be conferred on state and district level officers to mark the occasion. Awards were conferred for their outstanding performance in the conduct of election in various spheres including IT initiatives, security management, election management, accessible election, and contribution to the field of voter awareness and outreach. These awards will also be given to important stakeholders like government departments, ECI icons, and media group for their valuable contribution towards voter awareness. Thank you.
वोट जरूर डालेंगे हम। ये थीम बहुत ही सबके लिए होना चाहिए कि सब काम छोड़ करके हम वोट की तरफ बढ़ें। मैं एक दो नारों को आपको बीच में से इसलिए बुला रहा हूं ताकि आपको सचेत हो जाए। हमने रैली जब निकालेंगे तो वही नारे यहाँ पर बोलेंगे। तो मैं एक नारा यहाँ से दे रहा हूँ। मैं बोलूँगा लोकतंत्र की है पहचान, आप बोलेंगे मतदाता और मतदान। ठीक है, मतदाता और मतदान। ठीक है, मैं बोलूँगा लोकतंत्र की है पहचान, मतदाता और मतदान। लोकतंत्र की है पहचान, लोकतंत्र की है पहचान। सबको ध्यान